Welcome to this last week of the course. Over the last weeks, we talked about water supply, excreta management, and vector control. Our journey in the public health engineering in humanitarian context will not be completed without two important activities that we'll talk about during this week. They are solid waste management and hygiene promotion. The accumulation of refuse, such as in this picture taken in Syria, can pose serious public health risks. Indeed, refuse attracts flies, mosquitoes, cockroaches, rats, and other insects and rodents, which can transmit diseases to man, diseases such as fecal-oral diseases or plague, as we have seen over the last weeks of this course. Burning waste in the street, which often happen when essential services are disrupted, can also cause harmful smoke emissions. In addition to health risks, uncollected solid waste also create an unpleasant environment. Finally, solid waste inappropriately managed can harm the environment by polluting surface water and groundwater. This is why adequate solid waste management is so important. There are different types of waste, but during this week we'll focus only on one type that public health engineers often encounter in humanitarian crises. This is the medical waste. If you would like to know more about solid waste management in general, I recommend you to sign up to the EWAG MOOC on solid waste management, which gives a comprehensive picture of this complex challenge. To end this week, we'll discuss the critical issue of behavior change and hygiene promotion in humanitarian context. Indeed, as we have seen during week 1 with the example of the fecal-oral diseases, adequate hygiene practices can contribute significantly to reduce the risk of disease transmission and epidemics. However, changing people's behavior is not at all an easy matter. This is what you will see with Professor Mosler from EWAG, who is an expert in that field. Enjoy your last week.